Good morning. This is the animal room. I'm going to show you. Uh-oh, we forgot the water jug. Cannot forget the water jug. And my coffee. I haven't had enough coffee. Ooh, that was fun. Are you dizzy yet? This is the animal room in the morning. The lights are just starting to come on. When we walk in the door, oh, that's Jabba. Underneath Jabba is the water station. The RO water is usually sitting here, but I didn't put it away. So this is tap water. The jugs behind this sprayer is RO water. Only RO water goes in the sprayer. And these are little jugs of RO water for filling things in tight places. And those are assorted pans and bowls for water dishes. Each tank has a little star with instructions and who's in each tank. And I think it should be pretty well explained. So when I come in, I just start on one side. We have this side with 2 snakes, some leaf insects, a ghost-manted mama who's laying eggs, hopefully. All these guys here in the center. Choco down on the bottom. Lots of little guys. And the fishies. The fish have a low water line, but that's okay. It works for them. Here are the fish foods. I give them a scoop of pellets and 2 of these algae wafers each morning. I mix the pellets up. Sometimes I give a scoop of carnivore pellets. They really like those. Sometimes the goldfish pellets. And sometimes a pinch of goldfish flakes instead. They get variety. And then these are the fruit flies. We will need the fruit flies to feed this little guy, Isabel, who you will probably never see. In addition to Isabel, if the ghost mantid's babies hatch, we'll need fruit flies for in there. Please feed them. In here is Tilly. She doesn't come out much either. And then I just walk around the room with the spray bottle in the morning, the sprayer, and mist whoever needs to be misted. This is the hedgehog. I pull his bowl in the morning, and then I spot clean each day, and then tear it apart and change the bedding each week. You got all this. I wouldn't trust anybody else with it. The one thing about this sprayer is you have to unscrew the lid and release the pressure after you use it. Otherwise it will blow the seal. But it's just a pump sprayer. Okay, have fun. I'll see you later.